Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you another UST scholarship program announced. I will tell you about this. First, I will make already one video on UST scholarships and SO program ANSO. So now UST scholarship announced UST scholarship program. So type UST scholarship here and click UST scholarship. After you're clicking UST scholarship, you will find the page like this: UST 2020 UST scholarship program. The deadline for this scholarship is 31st of March, and no application fee required for this scholarship. This scholarship is for bachelor, for master. The stipend equal to the CSC. So now come to the university procedure, but before this I will tell you something. You can check your programs, majors, master program in English, master program in Chinese, and master programs in English, PhD programs in English or Chinese. So for bachelors all the programs in Chinese, and for master it's for Chinese and English both. This is a list of the Chinese programs instructed in Chinese, and the scholarship programs. Okay, the main scholarship programs for master is in English. These are the programs which are instructed in English. So apply as you according to your major. If you have HSK, then apply for Chinese. But I don't have any idea that either HSK is compulsory or not, means without HSK you can get admission or not. I don't have any idea. But if you don't have IELTS and you having just English Proficiency certificate, then you will apply for this. This is an online apply, and you need to send hard copies to International Admission Office. So come to the procedure. You will professor's profile. You can click on the faculty and you will find the professors list. Where is the professor list? These are the list of the professors. When you click on the majors, mathematics professors, and matters, physics, and these types of all these major professors are in this list. So you can find your major according to your previous study. So provisional form for provisional acceptance letter students by USTC. This is the acceptance letter format for USTC student. If you get the acceptance letter, then use this format. But if you don't get acceptance letter, then you can apply without acceptance letter. So duration for bachelor 4 years, 2 to 3 years, and for PhD 3 to 4 years. Okay, now come to the procedure. You just online apply at this link. When you click on this link, you will show the portal like this, and I will also tell you how you fill this form. In this video I will tell in complete process. So create your own application ID with email, valid email address. You must fill the application form till 30th month of March, and you need to send hard copies to University of Science and Technology, China, by post. So your documents will be reached in before 10th of April 2020. So you have to 10 to 11 days extension for the document sending. But I request you to advise you to apply as soon as possible if you want to apply for this. So material. What is the material? Application form, which you download from this link, and application form US scholarship with signature and recent photo. Okay, another form USD scholarship has also been. I will tell you which form is. So don't worry about this. Recent photo, also attach recent photo with it, but attach or paste it. Photocopy of form passport must be valid for 1 year. Study plan not less than 1800. And curriculum attached. CV, 2 recommendation letter from professors, associate professor. Physical examination form. Applicants for physical programs instructed in Chinese must have HSK. If your programs in English, TOEFL, or proof of English proficiency, means you can apply with English proficiency certificate. Okay, now you have must have bachelor degree. If you don't have a bachelor degree, then make a provisional certificate from your provisional certificate from your university. This degree and transcript must be notarized. All these documents in English or Chinese. Application with material will not be returned, which you send to university. Sorry. Please make sure that you are set of complete all set of all required documents and specify in the envelope. You must have complete all documents in envelope and send it to scholarship with your application ID for USTC online application system. You must have application ID when you fill the form. Okay, application the postal address is then which in this address you need to send documents to the University of Science and Technology China and pursue it, and all the scholarship result will be announced in July. So they review your documents and review admission committee decides for scholarship is in May 2020, and in September 2020 classes will be started. So this is the email ID of the university. If you have any question, then ask directly from this or call them from for this number if you have any question. So it's dependent on you how you fill that. So now come to the how you fill online application form. Okay, click on the link which they provide. Click on here. After clicking, you will see the login, last name, email for password, confirm password. When you enter email, they don't send any activation email code to the university to your email. They just send send the email that welcome to University of Science and Technology China, and it's okay, and then log in it. Okay. After login, the screen shows like this, and you can click on online application form. And after this online application form, you are not logged in, so I will log in it again. So okay, sorry. On ANS scholarship, these are three types of scholarship. ANS scholarship, I also make a video on this. Chinese government scholarship and USTC scholarship. These are three scholarships. You can they also mentioned that you can apply more than one universities. You can apply more than one scholarship in USTC, and then which scholarship you get is decided by UST. You don't decide that I will get this scholarship. So USTC has the right to decide which scholarship may be given, so it depends on you. So if you scholarship apply on ANSWER scholarship, you can fill the form on this link and upload when you fill in the form of this, and then if you apply for Chinese government scholarship, then upload the Chinese government scholarship form which you fill fill the form on this link, and after filling the form, download the form and upload this. And the CSC serial number also mentioned on in CSC application form. CSC application number also mentioned on the form, so copy that number and paste it. And USTC application form, how you fill USTC application form, click on USTC application form and fill it. How you fill the form, it is a basic step. Give passport number, given number, and undergraduates check this school in which you apply, major research, and these kind of things. This is the online this is a very simple form application. If you have application, then fill it, otherwise leave it. And after filling the form, signature, sign it, date, year, month, and these things, and upload it. Okay, if you are also applied for self-financed and fill the form self-financed. Now click to save and next. One thing that I tell you, that when you click on online application, then you saw that if you which program in which you apply, doctoral, master, or bachelor. If you are applying for master, then check here and click to next. Okay, then this form came forward, and then click on after checking. If you applying for only Chinese government scholarship, then click Chinese and upload the form and type the serial number, click into next. But I advise you to, if they also mention that you can apply more than scholarship, then you also apply on these two scholarships. So this is the edge for you. So click on next, save and next. So when you click on save and next, then you will show the form like this. Okay, type your family name, given name, Chinese name if you have, otherwise leave it. Gender, marital status, single or married, nationality Pakistani, and other if you have your country like Nepal and these kind of. religion Islam, okay, and date of birth and country of birth, city of birth, place of birth, city with province name, passport expiration date, and upload the passport home page, and the size must be less than 3 MB, and photo not upload yet, upload the photo in JPG format, and photo less than size of photo less than 1500 KB. So hobby, sports, cricket, like these things. If you have are you an immigrant from another country or region? No. If you have yes, then yes. Really, original country type, your original country, contact name, emergency contact type, your father name, contact brother, and these which you have, and then save and click on save and next. Now I come forward to study plan. I just show you how you fill the form. I not fill the form completely one by one. So if I fill by manually, so it will become too late, so video will become too large. So faculty and department, select your faculty and department from an institute, okay, and first level of discipline means you have what's your first level. First level, I will tell you what is first level and what is second level. I have select mechanical engineering, for example, then is mechanical engineering. So the first level is that on the first level is discipline will show on your admission documents and degree certificates which you got it, okay, and second level discipline is defined the specific program for study and research which you study in China. So these are the things. While applying, you do not necessarily need to find a host supervisor. If you have no host supervisor, just choose no and complete the following. Means if you have acceptance letter, then if you have supervisor get acceptance letter, then say yes, check on yes, and upload acceptance letter here. But if you don't have acceptance letter, then click on no, and leave these things blank. So supervisor name, supervisor phone number, and email, these things will remain blank. So I will click on save and next. Okay, so I will click on save and next. Educational employment. What is educational employment? The country where this university locates, means I am from Pakistan. If I says so, click on Pakistan. Others, type your university name in which you are previously graduated. Major, what's your major? What's the duration? Duration means 4 year, 2 year, these things. And year attendance from to, and score which you are getting. National ranking, what's your national ranking of university in your country, and website in which you saw the ranking, and the international ranking of your institute. What's your international ranking institute of your institute in all over the world, and paste the link of which you get the information about this. So about the university ranking, international ranking. So upload the notarized, highest bachelor notarized copy. If you are applying for master, you must have bachelor degree certificate. Then upload it, and upload the transcript. Notarized, must be notarized. Okay. These are things for part. This is the part 1, this is the part 2, and this is the part 3. In part 2, this is upload the master copy of master degree. But if you are applying for master, then you don't have master degree, so leave it blank. Okay, and this is also for master degree, so also leave it blank, because you don't have master degree. But if you apply for PhD, then you upload the master degrees. And also employment background. What's your employment background? Upload type, start ended, employment detail, in which duration you work in company, organization, job position, worker, labor. No, you are educator, you are not labor, but supervisor, teacher, these kind of things, and academic achievement, publication, these kind of things. If you have, then fill the form, otherwise leave it. Okay, and then save and click on save and next. So I come forward to language proficiency. Okay, language proficiency. Mother language means your mother language. What is your mother language? So our in Pakistan, from Pakistan, so my mother language is Urdu. So Chinese proficiency, if you have Chinese proficiency, excellent, very good. Fill card links. If I say poor or no knowledge, so if you have HSK certificate, then upload the HSK certificate. If you have, I mean, what is your English proficiency? If you applying for English program, then excellent, type excellent. If you have any test like the IELTS, TOEFL, it's etc., then type the score here. But if you don't have IELTS, then upload the English proficiency certificate. Other proof of English certificate means English proficiency certificate. I prefer to be taught in English. If your major is in English, then type English, select in English. As your major is Chinese, then click on Chinese and click on save and next. And contact info, what is the contact info? Contact info, okay. Contact info means your address, country, home, room, and room number, city, street number, and these kind of districts, these type of things, emails, postal code. If you don't know the postal code, then type your city name in Google and you will find the postal code of your city. So province, state, telephone number, fax number, leave this. If your permanent address is same like the address which you receive the documents, then click on save and click on save option. But if you have different address, then type your different permanent address or admission address, documents in which you receive documents. Step 4, other information. Other information is like the family information. Means family information, like you first detail the mother, brother, and these kind of things. So first you fill the name of your brother, relationship, brother, age, and employment. If he work done job, and any job, or a student, and type this relationship. Second, family member, type your detail in type your father detail, name, relationship, and these things. And also third family relationship, you type your sister or mother or any other brother name. So it depend on you. Employment, if job position, name of the company. If he's student, then name the university name in which he is studying. Okay, recommender information, these are the important things. So email of first teacher, email of second teacher, I say I delete it. Okay, after deleting, you click on add, and type the email address of your professor which give you recommendation letter. I type A, B, C, D, these kind of, and click on next. When you click on next, you've got the fill the information of your professor, and click on save. Okay, I return to the back. So when you fill this detail of professor and click on send to recommender, then a email sent to your professor which you give your recommendation letter, and then they says that yes, I give the recommendation letter to this student, and this is my student. These kind of things they tell you. They also say, please add recommender email, then click on the next send button to send an email to the recommender. The application can only be submitted to the University of Science and Technology of China after University of Science and Technology of China after the recommender sends letter of recommendation. Okay, so it's depending on you. This is the two recommendation is must, but third is optional. It will it's optional. So now come forward to upload documents. Which documents you will be uploaded? Okay, because all these 3 documents or 4 documents upload now, because in step by step they upload other documents. So they don't you don't upload other documents like degree certificates. Degree certificate is also uploaded in previous step. So upload the physical examination form and CV curriculum, which I also also upload here. Study or research plan, it's necessary. It's also necessary, not must be less than 1800. Other supporting documents like non-criminal certificate record, your certificates, publications if you have, and then other supporting documents which you think that this support my application. And after all these, click either order the application and click on confirm and submit option. So these are the complete form which I tell you how you fill this form. I hope you like the video, but also subscribe this channel if you think that you get the information get the information about scholarship. And I also make videos on those university scholarship which scholarship announced recently. So for getting information of any university about any university announced scholarships, so subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon, so you will get the latest update of any scholarship. So don't miss any opportunity. Apply for this if you want. So I hope you like the video. Subscribe this channel. Good luck, take care.